What's up, gentlemen? So it's time to go get my hair cut, and I thought to myself, I haven't done a hairstyle tutorial in a while, and so I got some special guests in the car from Pete and Pedro. Got Dave in the back. What's up, Dave?
What's up, guys?
Got Mikey.
What's up, guys?
Marketing director. Today we're headed to Salon Posta to go meet the man, Steven Posta, and get my do did. All right, gentlemen, so if you're ever in the Atlanta area and you want to come get your super sexy hair done, make sure to go to salonposta.com and come see the super amazing Spicy Senoritas and Stevens. Gentlemen, it is time to style. So what am I using? Of course, the sea salt spray, a little putty action. Gentlemen, if you have not tried the sea salt spray, there is no better pre-styler out there on the market, period. It's gonna add texture, it's gonna add volume, and it really adds a lot of life to your hair. And then of course, I'm gonna be adding and using a little bit of putty, all right? And one of the beautiful things, when you use a pre-styler like the sea salt spray, you actually don't need to use as much product because this actually acts as almost like a little assistant to the product that you're using, all right? The Pete and Pedro Putty is a high hold, low shine product, and I've been using it for years. You gotta emulsify though, right? It's all about the emulsification. This activates your hair product. Work it in, work it through, get it down to the roots, right there, and ready to comb. Right there. And time to dry. And then a little more Pete and Pedro Putty to finish it off just a little bit. And the reason I do this is basically just to help set and lock in the style, all right? Run it in there, right? Just get it in there, and then little twists like that, right? PC separation, and let's see. That's it, gentlemen. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why don't you drop me one of these to be like, yo, Alpha, let's have a little more hairstyling behind the scenes. Guys, we'll see you next week. Bye.